Hello dear students, in this session we are going to learn our geography first lesson, that is local time and standard time. So let us see.
We get up early in the morning, brush our teeth and take a bath. Then we have breakfast and go to school. We study in our classrooms we return home. We go to the playground to play in the evening. We have dinner, brush our teeth and go to sleep. We keep doing similar activities throughout the day. Considering our daily routine, we need to decide the time for all our activities. In olden days, people used to take the help of various tools and also depend on various natural events for the measurement of time. On the basis of observation and experience, they divided the day into the following parts from sunrise to sunset, daytime, and from the sunset to the next sunrise, nighttime. A whole day means the duration from one sunrise to the next. Earlier, natural events and instruments like Ghatika Patra, a bowl with a minute hole at its base, which would float in a large water-filled vessel, sand timer, etc., were used to tell time. The earth takes 24, that is, one day to complete one rotation. We consider the direction where the sun rises to be the east, thus, the earth rotates from west to east. As a result, we experience sunrise, noon, sunset, and midnight. During rotation, the longitudes in the western part face the sun gradually, while those in the east experience darkness. The longitudes which faces the sun experiences sunrise, while on the other hand, the one is the darkness experiences sunset. While traveling in a bus, we often see trees, electric poles, buildings, etc. outside the window. They appear to be moving in the opposite direction. Actually, they are stationary and our bus is moving forward. Similarly, because of the rotation of the earth, we feel that the sun is changing its position from east to west daily.
Local time and standard time. In olden days, people took help of various tools and depended on various natural events to measure the time. Based on the observation and experience, they divided the day as daytime, which is from sunrise to sunset, and nighttime, which is from the sunset to the next sunrise. A whole day is the duration from one sunrise to the next. Earlier, natural events and instruments like Ghatika Patra, that is, a bowl with a minute hole at its base, the wood float in a large water-filled vessel. Sand timer, etc. were used to tell the time. So students, let us know about local time. It is the time of place as decided by the location of sun in the sky. Local time of a place on the earth's surface is determined with the help of its noon time. Since noon time is same for a given longitudes, across the earth, that is, from the North Pole to the South Pole. The places lying on the same longitudes will have same local time. The time from midnight to noon is denoted by AM. AM means anti-meridian. While the time from noon to midnight is denoted PM, post-meridian. Longitudes to the east of a particularly longitudes are ahead of time of that particularly longitudes, while the longitudes to the west are behind that time. So student, let us see video of local time.
As soon as the sun starts moving up in the sky after sunrise, the length of our shadow reduces. Normally, the length of the shadow is shortest at noon. As the sun moves towards the horizon in the afternoon, the length of our shadow increases again by evening. The noon time is the same at any given longitude across the earth, that is, from the North Pole to the South Pole. The time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time. In the regions lying in between the polar circles and the poles, a daytime could be more than 24 hours, depending upon the season. As a result, understanding the timings of sunrise, noon, sunset and midnight at these places becomes important. At the poles, the daytime and the duration of the day lasts around 6 months. To tell the time of sunrise or sunset at the poles, one has to consider the day. When the sun rises on a specific day, it moves around the horizon and therefore, here the length of the shadow cannot be considered for telling the noon time. The earth takes almost 24 hours to complete one rotation, 360 degrees. The earth rotates by 360 degrees upon 24 hours is equal to 15 degrees in 1 hour around its own axis. The earth takes 60 minutes upon 15 degrees is equal to 4 minutes to cover 1 degree. This means that for each degree of longitude, the local time differs by 4 minutes. When the sun is directly overhead at a place on the earth, it is noon over there. While telling the time between midnight and noon, we put AM in front of the time. This means anti-meridian. When the longitudes cross the noon time, then the time is past midday or afternoon. The time in between noon and midnight is denoted by PM, means post-meridian. Use your brain power. Take mark the time in the boxes which you can tell without using clock. Geographical explanation. Longitudes lying to the east of any longitude are ahead of the time.
Now students, we will learn about standard time. When there are different local times within a country because of longitude differences, then there is a lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. If each one follows their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying out daily business of the country. Hence, the local time at the longitudes passing through the middle of the country is considered as the standard time for that country. This standard time is used all over the country. So students, let us see standard time video.
Longitudes lying to the east of any longitude are ahead of the time at that longitude, while those lying to the west are behind. As the distance between two longitudes increase, their local time also starts differing. If we multiply the difference between longitudes in degrees by 4 minutes, then the difference in the respective local times can be calculated. The difference in longitude can be known with the help of a globe or map. Standard time. Can you tell? Mumbai is located at 73° E longitude. Kolkata is located at 88° E longitude. Find the difference between the longitudes of these two cities. If the local time at Mumbai is 3 p.m., then what would be the local time at Kolkata? Geographical explanation. Both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India, but on different longitudes. Their local times differ by an hour. If there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal differences, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. If each one follows their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying on daily business in the country. Therefore, generally the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for that country. This standard time is used all over the country.
So students, from standard time, let us learn about Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time IST has been decided according to the 82° 30 minutes east longitudes which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. This longitudes passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitudes has been selected as the standard time of the whole country.
Indian Standard Time. The Indian Standard Time IST has been decided according to the 82° 30 minute east longitude which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. This longitude passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country.
Now students, we are going to learn Universal Standard Time. For an international coordination between countries, the local time at Greenwich Mean Time in England is considered to be the international standard time. The differences in standard time of various countries is calculated with references to GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. If it is 5 p.m. at Greenwich, then in India it would be 10:30 p.m.
Universal Standard Time. For an international coordination between countries, a local time at Greenwich Mean Time in England is considered to be the international standard time. The difference in standard times of various countries is calculated with reference to GMT. The Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. If it is 5 p.m. at Greenwich, then in India it would be 10:30 p.m. The map is given on page 76. Cut it along the dotted lines. Paste the cut map on hard cardboard. Now make a cylinder out of this map. While making a cylinder, make sure the 180° longitudes on the left and the right sides are superimposed on each other. Keep in mind that the longitudinal interval is 15° each in this map. On the same page, a strip showing hours is also given. On this strip, 24 hours have been shown with 1 hour markings. The 0 to 24 hour markings show midnight, while the 12-hour marking shows noon. Cut this strip too and make a cylinder out of it. Make sure the 0 and 24